everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly Chime Credit Builder card and how it works. The Chime Credit Builder card is a secured credit card designed to help you build credit without interest or fees. Unlike traditional credit cards, it doesn't require a credit check